Hi everyone, this is Brian. I'm a National Property Inspections home and commercial property inspector. I'm here today to explain why it's important to keep your exterior plants away from your home's foundation, siding, and roof. You probably don't give this much thought, but it's important to keep these components clear in order to keep your home in its best condition. Trees, bushes, and other vegetation that are allowed to grow touching your house can lead to problems like excessive moisture and rot, clogged gutters, and they can even act as bridges for insects, giving them easy access into your home. You can control these problems by keeping all plants around your home trimmed back at least 6 inches. This amount of clearance is sufficient to keep insects where they belong and improve airflow around your home while keeping your plants healthy. For trees, it's best to trim back any branches that are overhanging your home by about 3 feet, so you can avoid excessive leaves and other tree debris collecting on your roof and in your gutters. Again, this is Brian with National Property Inspections. Thanks for joining us, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Your local inspector is always available to give you a full report on your property's condition. We'll see you next time.